And hi everybody, I'm Carl Spring here from the Kohler Weather Deck off Haines Road in Duluth. Thank God it's Friday. Maybe you're all feeling that way today, but you know what? We're all vertical and taking nourishment. It's a good day. Every day is a good day. Sunny skies again today, blue skies all over the place, and the weekend is going to be fantastic. It'll be maybe the last summery kind of weekend we have with highs in the 80s both days. As a matter of fact, here's a forecast for today. First of all, sunny, high about 77, and south winds 10 to 20. Not a bad day at all. Now the weekend is very, very nice. Sunny both days, highs of 82 and 84. And Sunday could be the last day we hit 80s. I'm not going to say this year, but well, don't have that many left potentially. Because Monday, more clouds and 79 for a high. Tuesday, our next decent chance for showers on Tuesday. That's with a high of 75. Then Wednesday, more clouds with 70 for a high. And by next Thursday, partly sunny and brisk with a high of only 68 degrees. So if you like 80s, this weekend may be the last one to get on down to Park Point, get down to the beach, enjoy the water, the sun, and the hot temperatures. You know, in sports, which of course is one of my big passions, of course, the Twins won last night, beat Texas, finally. Great game by Francisco Liriano. If you're a Packers fan, they won big last night over Indianapolis. And now tonight, the Twins are in Seattle, 9 o'clock game tonight. And Saturday night, the Vikings host Seattle at the Metrodome, or as they call it, Metrodome at Mall of America Field, which is the dumbest name for a stadium I've ever heard, but naming rights is a lot of money, so there you go. As always, thank you for being here on HowieBlog.com, or if you're just seeing it on your computer, if I didn't mail this to you, wonderful. Here, Carl Spring here at Kohler Chevrolet here in Duluth, and Howie Hansen, HowieBlog.com. Have a great weekend. I'm here tomorrow as well, so we'll see you here then. And again, it's a good day, folks. Every day is a gift, that's for sure. We all know that. Over and out. See you later.